In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your inventory using Shopify. Whether you're just getting started with Shopify or you're looking to streamline your processes, this guide will walk you through each step with ease. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your Shopify homepage. This is the central hub for managing your store and where you'll find all the tools you need to keep things running smoothly. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Spot your menu on the left-hand side. This is where you'll access the various sections such as orders, products, customers, and more. Next, we're going to click on Products in that menu. This section is crucial for maintaining a well-organized inventory and ensuring your listings are attractive and up-to-date. As you land on the Products page, you will see a list of all the items you have for sale. Take your time to peruse through this list and locate the product you need to update. Let's go ahead and select Example Shirt 2 for this walkthrough. Clicking on it will bring up a detailed view of the product, including its description, pricing, and inventory information. You might also notice a few visual indicators or alerts regarding stock status. In this example, we are focusing on inventory management. Find the section that says Track Quantity. Tracking inventory allows you to know exactly how much stock you have at any given time, helping you manage supply levels efficiently. Check this option to start tracking quantity for your product. Beside it, there is another option titled Continue Selling When Out of Stock. This can be particularly useful if you're managing a pre-order campaign or if you have a reliable supply chain that ensures quick restocking. By selecting this option, you give your customers the opportunity to purchase products even when your stock is momentarily depleted. Now, let's refine the available inventory details. Click on Available to adjust the stock numbers, ensuring you add the latest inventory count. This number directly reflects the stock available for purchase in your store, so keep it updated often to avoid any discrepancies. Lastly, click on On Hand. This is an indication of the total units you physically have, including both available and reserved stock. Adjusting this number correctly will aid in maintaining a clear, accurate stock level across your inventory records. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward method to manage your Shopify inventory efficiently. Keep practicing these steps to master the process, ensuring smooth operations for your Shopify store. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on optimizing your e-commerce journey.